Welcome to the Hairy Vegetarian. I'm here with my friend Evan, and he's going to cook for you today.
So today we're making roasted tomato and cannellini bean stew. And so we've got onions, it's a medium onion, maybe about this big, sauteing away in here. We've got our tomatoes that have been roasted for about 25 minutes with some olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh thyme. And then this is vegetable stock. You could use chicken stock if you wanted to, but obviously being a vegetarian show, this is vegetable stock. We've got the beans, some red pepper flakes, and garlic. So I'm going to add the garlic right now and just let it cook with the onions. We'll do a little red pepper as well. Can do maybe, I don't know, as much as you want really. We've used 3 cloves of garlic, but again, you could, do as much as you want with the garlic, and just let those 2 things cook for about a minute. And then what you'll do is add the beans and add the stock and add the tomatoes and just kind of let it come to a simmer, and then it's ready to eat. Okay, so we added the beans, we added the tomatoes, added the stock, and just kind of let it come up to a simmer, and corrected the seasoning, and it's ready to eat.
Cool.
So here we go.
And what did you call this?
Roasted tomato and cannellini bean stew.